beautiful champions. I hope you are doing great. So before I start off anything, I want to address this particular comment which is there by competitor07. First of all, I want to tell you, you guys are super creative. So the comment was like this: a day of rest is required after KCET to watch Dhurandhar movie. So obviously, I know that you are tired and so are we, and you definitely deserve a Kit Kat break. You can definitely take that. But there's one more thing. We are done with KCET examination, but that does not end everything over there. For some people it was easy, for some people it was difficult, but we cannot take a chance. We need to have a backup option, and that has to be COMEDK for sure. So when to start COMEDK 2026 preparation, if at all you ask me? Now. If at all you ask me once more that ma'am, really now? We have just completed KCET examination. We actually require some time to watch Dhurandhar movie and also to take rest. I'll then say that you can take a 2-day off and probably start off your COMEDK journey with us. Okay, because we have launched COMEDK 10 crash course, and the COMEDK 10 crash course is going to be starting by 27th of April, which is on Monday. So definitely you can take some time off and make sure you do whatever you like to do. Okay, have enough amount of sleep, have enough amount of good sleep as well, and make sure that you do not compromise on it later on. Why did you have to compromise it on it now? Because probably you started off your KCET preparation very late. Now don't let the same loop repeat for the next examination, that is COMEDK. Start off a bit early. Okay, and as I said, there is COMEDK 10 crash course are there, which starts on what? April 27th. And what do you get over here? There will be complete PYQ based study. So basically one day you will get suppose on April 27th you have physics class, so there will be live class for physics, live class, not recorded. Okay, live PYQ class will be there, where sir will be coming, joining up certain chapters out there and doing a live session for all these important chapters. Now post the live, you are going to get a DPP, daily practice paper. You can just give out, make sure that you try out these questions so that everything that you have studied have got cemented in your brain. Then take a break. There will be a live again at 2 p.m. later on. So first live is 9:30. Second live will be at 2 p.m. where chemistry teacher will be coming up, taking the live again, giving you the DPP. So 2 classes. Now the next day obviously you might feel tired. So there's only 1 class, and that will be for mathematics. Rest of the time you can take a break and also attend the mock. But ma'am, is mock included over here? Yes. So there are 5 full length mock tests also being included over here. So every day whenever you have mathematics on alternate days, you will be having mock also, because you have the space to attempt it. And I will also recommend, in COMEDK's website there is a mock available. Make sure you give that mock once to have an understanding of how COMEDK works. And one more very important thing. So towards the examinations, is there some different thing that is going to happen? Obviously, yes. May 9th is your examination. One day before that, there will be live sessions taken for taking in your doubts. It's one-on-one interaction where your doubts are going to be catered. And there will be no spammers, because that is like classroom like atmosphere. Obviously that will be fun, there will be definitely fun there, but it will be like you would feel that you are actually preparing a competitive examination. That atmosphere is going to be created, and that will be helping you in understanding the seriousness of it and working really hard for it as well. Okay, and a day before that there will be, what do you say, top 100 MCQs also given to you per subject, so that you can have a quick revision sort of thing as well. And all of it, the pricing for that is rupees 1499. And to join it, the link will be there in the description section. Go check it out, and it is going to be worth it. And everyone who have taken COMEDK 30, or you are a KC 90 student who has COMEDK, please make sure you not go ahead, because for you it is already included. And Baba, it's not you who is the first one. Okay, there has been so many children who have worked really hard and have got the best ranks. Rank 303 the previous year, Arshia has got, Vinisha got 737, Shweta got 1129, and Kush got 1943. These are what? All India ranks. Because COMEDK is an all India examination, everyone can write it, right? And you know what? Not too many people are aware about it. So make the best opportunity, okay? Make the best opportunity out of it. Give your best for this particular examination and take it serious. But definitely take the break and watch Dhurandhar movie for sure. Especially you competitor, you have to watch it. And please give me the review because I have not watched it. I know that is very bad to say because I know I will be feeling left out. But still, do let me know the review about it. And guys, give your best. We are here with you. We'll be helping you throughout your journey. We love you a lot. Please take care of yourself. Enroll right now. April 27th is the day the class is going to start up. Okay, so that's all. Wishing you the best. Bye-bye. Take care.